Hello, today we are going to be doing an assembly video on the Kaplan exclusive Illumination Station. The following is included with the assembly. You will find a box of casters, a box of hardware. Underneath the styrofoam you will find 4 B poles, 1 C pole, a D pole, and the Obie arm. Make sure you have all of the following hardware before beginning the assembly of the Illumination Station. You will need 4 10mm hex screws, 1 17mm headless screw, 10 18mm hex screws, 1 83mm hex screw, 2 Allen keys, 1 wrench, 2 regular casters, and 2 casters with braking mechanisms. Step number 1. You'll get one of the B poles and one of the casters. On this side of the B pole, screw in like so. Repeat this step with each of the 4 poles and each of the 4 casters. You will need somebody to assist you with this. Each of you stand on each side of the sandbox. You will lift from the bottom and lift like so and flip it over. Insert the B pole with the caster already attached into each individual leg, like so. Notice that each B pole has a couple of holes for height adjustment. Insert into the leg for your height preference. As you see here, you will want to leave each of the B poles with the braking mechanisms on one side of the sand table. Once you have found your preferred height, match the hole on the B pole with the hole in the leg. Insert the screw and tighten with the Allen key. It is easiest to do this while the Illumination Station is laying on its side. Insert C pole into the hole like so. Take the 83mm hex screw and insert here to tighten and fasten. Insert D pole with the Obie arm into C pole. Make sure that the 2 holes line up and insert 2 screws to hold into place. Insert and use the Allen key to tighten like so. Use the headless hex screw and insert into this hole here. Use the smaller of the 2 Allen keys to tighten. Use the included Obie screws to attach the Obie projector to the Obie arm. You may need someone to help you with this. Someone will hold the Obie while the other person will screw the Obie into the Obie arm. You're going to feed the male part of the cable down through the pole. Once the male end has reached the bottom and you find it at the opening, plug into your local power source. And the female side will plug in directly into the Obie, like so. Pour in the sand and fill. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy your Kaplan exclusive Illumination Station.